that it is a polar region, as you rightly said, that is a major influence by global climate. That I'm telling about that. Making the researchers in both Arctic and Antarctic, which is the platform where we can do our research, share our experience, share our knowledge, share our findings. This is very much important in the different prospects view, as we will look at about the India. Why? So when we see about the Eastern Ghat Mobile Belt, which was past, it was connected to the East Antarctica as a part of the Gondwana line. So thus it is making geologically significant for this study because it was the part. So we are expecting there will be several resources can be deposited in Antarctica as well. Also, we know that the polar regions is the World Natural Climate Laboratory to study the climate because it's a pristine environment. If anything will happen, it will be recorded in those regions and it is preserved also. So researchers monitoring this kind of regions from India since as I said, the last 40 years about the climate system on the regular basis. We do our model studies also. It is important to study that, understand the monitoring of the glaciers, variability of the sea ice, and related the ocean atmospheric processes at different climate mode. In the recent, our researcher also worked on the establishment to link about how the polar sea ice is linked to the Indian monsoon. At present, the researchers are working to enhance their spatio-temporal in situ observations because you need a lot of observation when you are putting in the models. You are planning for any kind of studies. So that is very much important. And third part is like also it is a linkages. What we see that polar region it's links with Himalaya also. So there is a lot of linkages that how it is affecting one of our ASCAP in India also is Himalaya, and this is the pole region how it is working. They are working with the geopolitical regions because you should have your studies. So that will be definitely in the future. You will be standing as a front that you have your research is continuing from such a long period. And major international why it is required because Antarctica is a very vast land. It is the 5th largest continent in the earth. Any country cannot do study of entire Antarctica because there is no connectivity. There is everywhere is a challenges. So such studies as an international collaboration is required because when you wanted to know about the entire processes of Antarctica, you need to have a collaboration. And each country wanted to be collaborate to others because they want a holistic picture of Antarctica or any of the polar, even either in Arctic also, because we have a limited resources. So in that we are working with several collaboration with several countries like Norway, UK, Canada, Sweden, Japan, Korea, South Korea, and this all together we are working on undertaking the polar research. So this is where definitely it is going to be help in the international levels and put our study in the international fronts.